Okay, so now we're going to make it possible to connect two models. We're going to connect the tasks to the categories because we want to categorize the tasks into different categories. So there are a couple of ways to connect two database models. This is usually done with the foreign key or a many-to-many field. And in this part we will cover the foreign key. This is perfect for when we want one category to have multiple tasks. It also makes it much easier to find out which category one specific task belongs to. So you can begin by opening up models.py in the task app. And then here we need to import the category model. So from category.models import category. And I like to have the foreign keys at the top of all of the fields for a model. So here we can say category equals models.foreign key. And then we're going to reference this by just saying the class name or the model name. And to make it very easy to get all of the tasks belonging to a category, we can add something called a related name and say tasks. So now we can just say category.tasks to get all of the tasks for one category. And also, if we delete a category, if we want to delete all of the tasks belonging to this, so then we can say on delete and pass in models.cascade. This was not supposed to be a string. So then we cascade it down by deleting the category, and Django will find all of the tasks belonging to this. So when that is done, we need to update the database again. So let's just go to the terminal, stop the web server, begin by running make migrations. And now I have a little error here. It's impossible to add the non-nullable field category to a task without specifying the default. And that's because all of the tasks need to have a category. We have already created two categories in the database, the ID1 and ID2. So what we can do here is to say provide a one of default now and 1 and which value we want to store here. And we know that one of the categories has ID 1, so we can just hit 1 and enter. And when that is done, we run the migrate script. If we now run the web server again, go back to admin interface, go into one of the tasks, for example, second task, you can see that this is connected to the private category. Perfect. So that's how easily we can do this. We will come back to more of this later in this series, but for now, this is what was most important. See you in the next video.